The CNC programmable hollow grinding machine is designed to produce a hollow grind bevel on knife blades. This machine can easily be programmed to handle a versatile range of blade profiles. Due to its structure, the length of the blade being ground is not an issue. A variety of grinding stones can be used, allowing a wide range of blade finishes to be achieved. Additionally, ceramic or artificial diamond-coated wheels can be used to produce a fine cutting edge on thin industrial blades and thin blades such as surgical blades. The CNC feature of this machines allow the user to change between a large range of grinding projects very quickly. With the addition of automated feeding of blades, the machine can attain a higher rate of production than a single-sided grinding machine, but will produce a narrower grinding bevel on the blade.